13 and number 9. Ayan po, kaabang-abang talaga ang larong ito ngayong araw. Patuloy lang po tayong tumutok sa ating live streaming sa One Media TV 48, Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, on the service deck, it's Centano. Good serve. For the block! Block coming from Imperial.
Well, that's what I'm talking about, Kelly. The height of the BU Wolves, talaga namang bakod na bakod ang net doon.
What a good start, Aljon, for the Bicol University. Ngayon, still on the service deck, jersey number 6, Sentan. Back quick. Good cover there. Now a chance once again. Good pass. In the middle. What a combination play coming from the Bicol University. It's jersey number 5, Mapa. Napakagandang laro ang ipinakita doon ng Bicol University ngayon, Aljon. And still on the service deck, jersey number 6, Centeno. Another good serve. Ngayon, in the middle once again. Ibigay sa opposite. Wow.
Hits down the wall, Kelly. You know, the BU Wolves are fortunate to have a height. And, you know, I think the problem now in the Ateneo is that the attackers of BU Wolves, may height sila. And also, their wing spikers are very good in what they do. Talaga namang dito kasi sa Ateneo side, medyo mababa ang kanilang blockers. Talagang ma-overpower yan ang matataas na wing spikers ng BU.
That's Aljon. And now, still on the service deck. Good pass there. The open. Wow. Point for Alano. Puntos po for the Ateneo Golden Knights ngayon. Now on the service deck, jersey number 12, Perona. In the middle, another block. Now a chance. A rattle there to the opposite. Puntos para kay Sunga.
Well, looking at that sequence, nahuli ang blocker or wala kang blocker sa side ng BU at nagkatinginan nga sila doon sa likod. We'll see if BU can still get this point.
Good serve. To the opposite. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. It's jersey number 13, Imperial. A good point there. Now on the service deck, jersey number 13. A jump serve. Oops. And that goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the Ateneo. Now serving, jersey number 3, Alano. Poor reception there. Wow! What a down-the-line hit!
Well, that was San Miguel, one of the best players of BU. Talaga nung pinakitaan tayo dito ng down-the-line.
Napakagandang down-the-line hit coming from San Miguel. Now on the service deck, it's jersey number 9. Another poor reception. Wow! Nagawa ng paraan. Kaya naman pumuntos dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
What a good manufacture of that sunk receive of the Ateneo. Na-convert pa nila yon into point.
That's true, Aljon. And now, jersey number 1 serving. Another poor reception. To the opposite. Block sana. Sayang. Napakalakas na palo. Hindi kinaya ng blocker from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. Now on the service deck, jersey number 5, Maga. Another error coming from the BU Wolves. Puntos po, palitan lamang ng puntos dito. Now on the service deck, jersey number 13, it's Panis. Easy ball. The opposite. Another good block coming from Silo.
Now, bumalik sa Wolves ang bola na yon, really sweeping the net. Well, hindi naman kataasan ang blockers ng Ateneo, but the way they jump, the way they mark San Miguel into that opposite attack, wow,
That's
a good
your
block.
Aljon with that elevation. Puntos sa Ateneo at ngayon naman, a good hustle there. Now a chance for the Bicol University. Libero. 1-2 play. Puntos para sa Bicol University Wolves. Wow. For 1-2 play coming from Centeno. Hindi masyadong na-predict doon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakalaking butas sa side ng Ateneo kaya puntos ngayon ng Bio. Now on the service deck, San Miguel. Another poor reception. Silo with that free ball. San Miguel running attack! And it's still a point for Imperial. Now, makikita natin ngayon a substitution. Delfino in, Silo out. Still on the service deck, San Miguel. A chance to the open spiker, another block, a triple block, Aljon, pero hindi nagawa ng paraan ng Ateneo sa napakalakas na palo na nanggaling kay Espanya.
And I would say that was a good read on the blockers. A triple block, but still a point for them.
And now a chance. Running attack. Eh, ba't na yun? Black. Napuntosan doon ni Perona. Kaya naman puntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi masyadong nakabelo doon yung middle attacker or si Imperial ng BU. Kaya naman Black. At ngayon on the service deck, easy ball. In the middle, combination play.
Nobody home, I would say, Kelly. Tagong-tago si Espina doon.
Napakagandang palo galing kay Espanya. Kaya naman lamang po ng 3 ang Bicol University Wolves ngayon. Now, she's serving. Jersey number 18. Espanya. A float serve. Good reception there. A block. Ngayon, gagawa ng paraan.
And that was a point. Wow, really twisting his body to get that corner points.
Walang bantay. Yung down the line zone dito ng Ateneo. Kaya naman, ibinigay dito ni Agualiso yung puntos na yon. A service ace coming from Espanya. Good serve there.
Well, 7-12 na patawag dito ng timeout ang Ateneo. Well, I would say, Kelly, BU Wolves are now having a good run sa first set.
That's your Aljon. At ngayon naman medyo kinakapapa ng Ateneo players. When it comes to reception talagang hindi pa masyadong stable. Kaya naman let's see if mapapatay ba ng timeout na to ang kalamangan ng Bicol University.
Well, dito naman sa Wolves, matataas talaga yung wing spikers nila. So, if Ateneo let this happen, na talaga namang ma-dominate itong first set na ito, tatambakan talaga sila dito. At ang pwedeng gawin dito ng Ateneo is to create a fast pace in terms of their spikes para hindi makahabol ang mga blockers ng Wolves.
Well, it's the BU's advantage talaga because of their heights. Pero let's see, na alam kong bibigay ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang magandang laban dito. Still on the service deck, jersey number 18. Now, a good pass. In the middle, puntos for the Ateneo.
Well, a lucky point for the Knights. Talagang lumusot ang bola sa single block.
Ngayon naman, on the side of Ateneo, the team captain, jersey number 4, Agsao, on that service. Easy ball. In the middle, it's a big quick. But it goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the Bicol University. Now on the service deck, It's jersey number 6, Centeno. Taking his time. Another good a service ace once again for the Bicol University Wolves. Kanina pa pinapakitaan dito ng Bicol University Wolves when it comes to serving. May it be a short serve or a long serve, a strong serve, palagi talaga silang pumupuntos.
And you can really see, Kelly, the experience of the Wolves.
That's true, Aljon. Ngayon, back quick, good cover there. Sayang. As you have said nga, matatangka ng players ng Bicol University, kaya naman yung hulog na yun talagang inabot pa ni Imperial.
And a soft touch will never be effective on the hands of the Wolves. They are really guarding the net on that sequence.
That's true, Aljon. Kaya naman, puntos po for the Bicol University. Now, good pass. In the middle. Another good block coming from Imperial. Wow. As you can see, napakatangkad ng middle blocker. Kaya napatawag na naman ng second timeout ang Ateneo dito.
An 8-point lead.
That's true, Aljon. Ngayon, pasalamatan muna natin ang lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating live streaming for today, for the second game of today's match-up sa One Media TV 48, Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Maraming salamat po at patuloy lang po tayong tumutok. At abangan po natin ang mainit na labanan ngayong araw.
And this live coverage is powered by Converge FiberX. FiberX, the fastest internet connection in the Philippines. 16-8. A good margin for the BU Wolves at tumahabol dito ang Ateneo. Will see if they can climb up to the ladder.
That's true, Aljon. Another good serve coming from Centeno. Ngayon, gagawa ng paraan. Because of his height, talagang nalito kung saan papunta yung bola. Tumama sa kamay ni Imperial. Pero puntos pa rin ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now on the service deck, it's Perona. An easy ball. A combination play. Not an effective. Ngayon, chance for Ateneo. Puto there. Magawa ng paraan. Another good dig. Kabila. Wow. What a cover there. Chance for the Ateneo. Ngayon, first sunga. Hulog. But, it's a net touch violation coming from jersey number 13, Panes. Sayang yung puntos na yon.
That was a good chase for the both teams, but sayang, net touch.
Napakagandang momentum sana, but still, error is still there. Talaga, when there's a game. Diretso sa antena.
Straight to the net, Kelly.
Coming from Imperial. Now, inaayos yung antena ngayon. Because of that service coming from Imperial, tumiretso po sa antena.
Well, let's talk about on the Ateneo side naman tayo. Well, medyo nahihirapan sila dito maka-convert ng points kasi yung wing spikers nila talagang bantay sarado ng mga tall blockers ng BU Wolves. Sabi ko nga kanina, perhaps fast play could help them to convert their set into a point. Well, dito naman sa BU Wolves, their combination play is deadly as the way they execute it. So I think that's their advantage dito naman sa
That's true,
Knights.
Aljon. They have a very strong players. I think even their second stringers can contribute kapag pinasok na dito. Kaya naman their plays are very effective. They can convert a point. And it's their advantage talaga. Their height are really good. They are tall compared with the Ateneo Golden Knights. But on the side of the Ateneo naman, they are struggling when it comes to the reception. Pero alam ko babawi dito ang Ateneo and magpapakita ng magandang laro.
Well, that's a 7-point lead for
Here-
DU Wolves. Medyo malayo pa tong set na ito. I hope Ateneo.
Ibibigay kay San Miguel, puntos for the BU Wolves. After that block, dumiretso sa antena na naman. Kaya naman, puntos ngayon ng BU. Now on the service deck, it's Agualiso. It's Agualio, sorry. With that sequence, a soft touch coming from the middle. Puntos pa rin. Ay, puntos naman ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now on the service deck, Sunga. An easy ball. In the middle! Malakas yung palo ngayon ni San Miguel. Kaya naman puntos for the Ateneo. It's 18-12. Lamang pa rin po ang Bicol University Wolves dito sa larong ito. Still on the service deck, it's jersey number 1. Sunga. Ngayon kay Espanya, but it goes straight.
That
out to the net.
was a 3-point run for the Ateneo. They have to continue what they're doing right now because the Wolves is feeling it.
That's your Aljan if they can adjust when it comes to reception, maybe when it comes to serving. But with that sequence, a service error coming from Sunga, puntos po ng Bicol University Wolves. Now on the service deck, it's Mapa. Another poor reception there by Delfino. In the middle by San Miguel, a check ball. Puntos for the Bicol University.
Well,
Wolves.
that was a fast ball for San Miguel. Hindi nakahabol doon ang defenders ng Ateneo.
Actually, Aljan, may nakaabang naman talaga. But then, hindi masyadong maayos yung communication. Kaya naman puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. Now, for Espanya. Without hulog. Sayang.
A good read for Espanya. Nobody home for that point.
With that dive coming from the libero. Ngayon, still on the service deck, jersey number 5. It receive in the middle. Good cover there. San Miguel binigay kay Espanya. Another. Sayang. Bantay naman sana talaga yung spikers ng Biyo pero hindi nagagawa ng paraan masyado. Siguro wala lang sila masyado sa kanilang positions. That is why pumupuntos ang Bicol University Wolves. Ngayon, ay bibigay. Wow, a good pancake there. San Miguel with that hit. Good hustle. Delfino. Puntos for the Ateneo Golden.
Wow, that was a good point. Galing sa likod ang bola na yon. Wow, what a good execution for his spike.
Now on the side of Ateneo, it's Fabriga. Now serving. Good serve. Another good reception. Binigay kay Espanya. Adjust. Medyo malayo sa net yung set na yon galing kay Centeno. Kaya naman, gagawa naman sana ng paraan pero hindi umabot. Hindi umabot yung palo ni Espanya. Kaya naman, puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Still on the service deck. Another good reception there. In the middle of San Miguel. Good cover. Ngayon, a chance. A violation.
And that was a point for the Wolves. 2 points away to close up this set number 1.
Now on the service deck, it's San Miguel. In the middle, bantay sarado ng Imperial. A double contact violation ang tatawag dito sa side ng Ateneo. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Well, set point for the Wolves.
Another poor reception. Gagawa ng paraan. Now, a chance to close this set. Espanya with that adjustment. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
25-15. What a good start for Bicol University. And for more actions, tumutok lang kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Hello, Aljon and Kelly. Talaga naman both teams are determined to stand their ground strong on today's game. Lalong-lalo na ang mga Wolves because during the first few minutes on the first set, the opponent made their first time out. On the huddle, they were reminded to not copy or wag sumabay sa laro ng kalaban. Instead, do what they have been doing during their trainings and enjoy playing inside the hard court. All of the reminders given to them was applied and obeyed by the players that led them to win the first set. But of course, this is not yet the end. Patuloy natin silang mga abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Do what they're doing in their trainings because they shouldn't let BU overcome their system here coming for the second set. And that was a first point for the Knights.
At ngayon naman, Aljon, let's hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Rain, take it away. Angel, take it away.
Hello guys, we are now at the second set of the game and the Bicol University had the first set. The Ateneo Golden Knights plunged into their fierce mode as they find themselves left behind. They have been practicing their receiving strategy, however, it seems that they have still having an issue with their receiving efforts. This gave them a hard time to steal the momentum from the opponent. Coach noted that despite the height advantage of the opponent, this shall not justify them losing hope for the game. He quoted that this should drive them to be more hungry for the ball and to receive the ball properly, hoping to get the momentum this set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel, with that update. Yun nga, on the side of the Ateneo, still, they're struggling when it comes to the receiving. Kaya naman they're having a hard time to convert to points and lamangan dito yung BU Wolves. And now, on that sequence, a rally there. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Well, that was Alamo, the former opposite spiker of the UNC Greyhounds. Welcome, Alamo, in Season 5 of Bucal, representing the Bicol University.
That's true, Aljan. At ngayon naman, in the middle, puntos for Sunga from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nakaabang na sana doon yung libero, si Nerva ng Bicol University Wolves, pero masyadong mabilis. Good pass. With that combination play, puntos for Bicol University. Point once again for Alamo. And now on the service deck, jersey number 7, San Miguel. Good pass. But an over-receive, kaya naman regalo para sa Bicol University Wolves. Now on the service deck, San Miguel. But it goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the Ateneo.
5-3 for our second set.
New sets of players ngayon ang binigay ng Bicol University Wolves. Good receive there. Alamo. What a cross-court hit.
That was a clean cross-court hit for Alamo.
That's true, Aljon. Kaya naman, they converted the point. 6-3 ang puntos ngayon dito. Now, on the service deck, jersey number 8. Another poor reception for the Ateneo. Gawa ng paraan. Operio in the middle. Point for the Bicol University Wolves. Puntos para kay Bailey.
That was a back-to-back points for the BU Wolves, while sets it outside.
Ayun naman, on the side of the Ateneo, it's jersey number 1, the lefty, serving. Another service error. Palitan lamang po ng service error ngayon ang parehong kupunan. A substitution. Team captain out. Jersey number 7, Borromeo in. Now, on the service deck, jersey number 4, serving. Gawa ng paraan. Ngayon, chance. Opero, ibinigay. A cross-court hit coming from jersey number 12 of Bicol University. Coming from Alzaga.
Well, that wind-up from Alzaga was exceptional.
Another poor reception. Sunga on that back. In the middle. Puntos para kay Bailey.
What a connection there, Kelly. Setter to Bailey. Well, masasabi talaga natin na matagal na silang naglalaro together because the connection is also on flick.
That's true, Aljan, and you can see the maturity inside the court when it comes to their plays. Talagang it's very clean. They have this connection, they have this communication. Kaya naman madali para sa Bicol University Wolves na makagawa ng puntos. At ngayon naman sa side ng Ateneo, jersey number 6, serving. An easy ball. Operio to the open. Wow! And it breaks down the wall. Puntos para kay Alzaga.
Well, the confidence talaga ni Alzaga, even in front of him, 2 blockers, but still, nababutas pa rin talaga ang blockers ng Ateneo.
That's true, Aljon. Napakalakas na palo ang binibitawan dito ng Bicol University Wolves. Ngayon, 1-2 play. A chance. San Miguel gagawa ng paraan. Puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nalakasan doon yung cover. Yung pasa ng bola ni Bailey. Kaya naman chance para sa Ateneo na ibigay sa Bicol University. Kaya puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, on the service deck, Delfino. Wow, a good pass. In the middle once again. Puntos para kay Alzaga.
Well, the versatility of Alzaga from open to middle attack. Ano pa kaya ang kaya niyang gawin, Kelly? Wow!
That's true, Aljon. As we have seen on the recent play nga, nasa middle na siya ngayon. Kani-kanina lang with napakalakas na palo coming from the open spike.
I think we must expect na mamaya sa opposite naman siya aatakan.
That's true, Aljon. Let's see. That's how the players should play inside the court. Dapat alam mo lahat your positioning kasi di ba meron tayong mga plays na hindi natin inaasahan.
That's true,
So
Kelly.
kapag gagawa natin ng paraan, kailangan natin talagang makagawa ng puntos.
And I think Ateneo should watch out from that versatility of the BU Wolves kasi umaatake sila kahit sa ang zone, so they must expect that.
That's true, Aljon. At talagang mahirap basahin kapag ganun yung mga players na kalaban mo. Pero alam kong gagawa ng paraan ng Ateneo Golden Knights at makakagawa sila ng puntos dito. Now, another poor reception. The open. Good spike there. Operio. In the middle for San Miguel with that hit. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
That was an exclamation point for San Miguel, knowing Kelly that he is a wing spiker but umatake nga siya sa middle. So wow!
That's true. As you have said nga, the versatility of these players. Talagang napakalakas na palo. Kaya naman yung serve na yun, napakalakas din. Puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ngayon, sa side ng Ateneo, jersey number 7, Borromeo. Another good pass coming from Yarba. San Miguel. Good cover there. Free ball for Alano. Operio with San Miguel with that running hit. Good cover there by their libero. A chance. Sunga. Block. Borromeo. Another block for BU. Now a chance. Nagkaroon ng banggaan doon. Bibigay sa likod. Puntos for the Bicol University
And
Wolves.
finding that corner, no one is there to save that ball for the Ateneo. Wow, the volleyball IQ of these Wolves talaga namang exceptional. Hindi lang puro power, Kelly.
That's true, Aljon. As, di ba nga, nakikita natin kaya nagra-rattle yung side ng Ateneo dito. Kaya naman nagawa ng paraan doon ng Bicol University na ibigay sa dulo dahil walang tao. At ngayon, sa opposite, good cover, Operio. Once again, a down the line hit, Borromeo. Ginawa ng paraan, but tumama sa antena. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Well,
What a play there.
15-7, Kelly. A good deficit for the Wolves.
Now on the service deck, it's Operio. Taking his time. But it's a service out. A free point for the Ateneo Golden Knight. Medyo malaki ang kalamangan ngayon ng Bicol University Wolves. And let's see if mahahabol ba ito ng Ateneo on the service deck. Jersey, number 12, Perona. Another good pass there from Nerva. Wow! What a hit coming from jersey number 8, Alamil. Alam mo, Aljon, ito talagang si Nerva when it comes to passing, the reception, or even digging, talagang she is excelling. Even nung high school niya pa, talagang, actually, she's an MVP. So,
Wow.
no doubt for this libero.
Well, that's why may magaganda ang passing ngayon ng BU Wolves at na ko-convert nila yon into a points. It starts for their reception.
That's your Aljon. Operio with a combination play. Puntos for Alamil. Wow. New set of players for this second set. I think it's their second stringers. Feeling ko lang naman is their second stringers pero still, pumupuntos talaga.
Hindi mo nga halata, Kelly, na second stringer sila.
That's
because
true.
the way they play, talagang experience.
Ngayon, Operio, combination play! Puntos for the Bicol University. Wow! Ginulo ng BU doon, yung blockers ng Ateneo. Hindi nila, though may na-block naman, pero talagang napakabilis ng palo doon galing kay Alamo.
The risk action of Alamo, talaga namang ang ganda. What a good performance for
That's
these
true.
players.
But with that service error, ngayon naman, Sunga once again on the service line. Serving. Wow, good serve. Another strong hit coming from Alzaga. Nasa open spike naman siya ngayon.
And breaks down the wall by Alzaga. Talaga yung power ng BU Wolves, mahirap i-block.
It's actually unpredictable kasi nga with their valuable IQ, di mo alam kung mahulog ba talaga or papaluin ng malakas. Now, another poor reception, mababa. And it goes straight down to the net. Yung palo na yon galing kay Panis. Puntos for Bicol University. Ngayon, on the side of the Bicol University Wolves, serving jersey number 4, Alamo. Another good serve. Borromeo with that 1-2 play. Operio in the middle. Wow. With that play coming from Bailey.
Nahuli ang blockers doon ng Ateneo, the connection. Talaga namang pinapakitaan tayo dito ng experience. 21-10. Wow, a good margin for the Wolves.
That's true, Aljon. Their elevation, kahit sino sa kanila, talagang ang tataas ng talon, ang lalakas ng palo, kaya mabilis na, ang bibilis din ng binibigay nilang laro dito. Kaya naman, lagi pupuntos ang Bicol University Wolves with 21-10. A timeout ngayon for the Ateneo Golden Knights. At ngayon, syempre, nais nating pasalamatan ang lahat ng nanunood dito sa ating live streaming. We have Ivo Adachi de la Cruz, Rafael Abraham, at John Colin Carino at Laika Megan Doroha. Manatili lang po tayong manood dito sa ating live streaming sa mainit na laro, and with that sequence, block coming from Operio.
A single block is very good on that last sequence. Operio marking the wing spiker of the Knights.
That's true, Aljon. At tatlo na lamang po ang kakailanganin ng BU to close this second set. Another block. Good cover. Ngayon, nagkalituhan doon. Nagkahiyaan actually kung sino ang kukuha ng pasa na yon. Kaya puntos ngayon. Actually, it's a free point for the Ateneo. Sayang. Actually, it's a momentum sana for the BU. But, nagkalituhan nga puntos for the Ateneo. Another good pass coming from Nerva. To the back, another combination play. As you can see, Aljon, with that place.
Hanging and banging on the back row attack.
That's true. Yung lahat ng play na ginagawa, binibigay ni Operio sa kanyang mga spikers, talagang...
And I think lahat ata dito kaya mag-spike. Except the libero.
I think even libero nga can do it. Ngayon, San Miguel with that smash. Wow. Guys, if mapapanood nyo ngayon dito live sa NCF, talagang mapapasabi kayo ng wow.
Yung tunog kasi, Kelly, nakakatakot talaga yung tunog ng spike, especially the BU Wolves, but also maganda din ang pinapakita ng Ateneo.
That's true, Aljon. Bumabawi, ginagawa ng paraan ng Ateneo para makapuntos dito. Now a set point, another poor reception. Now a chance to close this set. Not a good pass. San Miguel gagawa ng paraan. Hulog. Good dig there. Another one. Operio for San Miguel. Whoa. And that ends the second set. Manatili lang po tayong tumutok dito sa One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. are now live back here at the NCF Covered Court for the third set of the Bicol University Wolves versus the ADNU Golden Knights. At ngayon naman, Aljon, let's talk about that last set. As we can see, the Ateneo lacks when it comes to the reception at palaging pinupuntusan dito ng BU Wolves with that pass and kill coming from them. As we have said nga earlier, baka nga even libero nila can spike dahil sobrang lalakas talaga nila. Pero syempre ngayon, I believe babawi ang Ateneo dito. At let's hear an update on the side of the Golden Knights. Angel, anong update dyan?
Ateneo Golden Knights was not able to get the momentum last second set. Coach called several timeouts for the team to regroup. He told the players to not be complacent and focus on their defense. He added volleyball is not a battle of spike, rather it is a battle of defense. He also highlighted for the players to read the ball, but the vigorous question is, will they be able to steer the momentum for the set? Find out only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel. So spiking and defense is very important, but we also have to take note the importance of momentum because momentum, Kelly, can makes you or breaks you. So we'll see if talagang mahahabol dito ng Ateneo. But first, let's look at our statistic for second set. BU Wolves in terms of the points, 25-11. Sa attacks naman, 21 against 3. Wow, a good numbers for the Wolves. Blocks, both teams had 1 point, while the opponent error of the BU Wolves is 7. An excellent set, 11. At para makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng BU Wolves, let's toss it to Rain. Rain, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Aljon and Kelly. So far, the Wolves are doing an amazing job on the serves, receives, and spikes. Again, with their performance in the hard court, they left the opponent worried that made them call for a timeout. During huddle, they were reminded to stay on momentum and enjoy the game. With their decoys, blocks, and combination plays, they sure are ready to score more points. Again, this is the Wolves who won the second set and is still in the lead. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, with that update. Totoo nga naman, kailangan lang mag-enjoy sa loob ng game kasi they have the momentum. The BU has a very strong start when it comes to serving, even in the spiking. And I think it's very important na patuloy lang the consistency inside the court of their players para tapusin na itong laban na to ngayon.
That's true, Kelly. And also,
ngayon, on the side of the service line, good serve, Sunga. Wow, a dig coming from Nerva. Espana, a cross-court hit. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
well, breaks down those blockers from that last sequence. Ang ganda ng cross-court na yon.
With that elevation, you can see talaga na sure ball. Talagang patay yung bola. Ibibigay kay Sunga. Mataas yung bola. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. Now, still on the service line, Agualio. Another poor reception for the Ateneo. Ngayon, to the opposite. Gawa ng paraan. Good cover there. And it breaks down the wall. A point for Alano.
That was a good read from that attack. Talaga namang nahanapan ng butas doon ang blockers.
Hindi pumayag si Alano na hindi makakonvert ng point. Kaya puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Serving, Sunga. But it's an inside puntos for the Ateneo.
That was a lucky point. Akala nila hindi yon papasok, but a lucky point for the Knights.
Nang hinayang doon yung BU kasi akala nila talaga out. Still on the service line, Sunga. To the opposite. And it breaks down the wall. Puntos for the BU Wolves. It's a down the line hit actually for Mapa. Kaya naman nakapuntos doon kasi medyo mababa yung blocker for the Ateneo. At ngayon, another puntos for Alano with breaking that wall. Wow, kanina niya pa challenge yung blocker and it's very effective. Kaya naman nakakapunta sila dito. On the service line, jersey number 6, Fabriga. Full reception there. 1-2 play. Another 1-2 play for Ateneo to Espana. A good hustle. Now, chance. Espana. Good recovery once again. Puntos for the Ateneo. A violation coming from Bicol University Wolves.
That was a good rally for both teams, but Ateneo got that point. 7-8.
Another good serve. A good pass. In the middle. Binawi ni Bailey doon. Kaya puntos for the Ateneo Wolves. Ngayon naman, on the side of the BU Wolves, jersey number 19, Bailey, serving. Not an effective one. Binalik lamang ang puntos.
Balik sa isa ang kalamangan dito ng Wolves.
Isa na lamang ang kailangang habulin ng Ateneo. Alano with that serve. Combination play. Espana. A check ball. Point for the BU Wolves. Ngayon, she's on the service line. Taking her time. A good serve. Another poor reception. Buwan na paraan. Espana. But it goes straight down to the net for Aguayo. Puntos for the Ateneo.
Well, nakakadikit dito, Kelly. Ang Ateneo, they are not letting the BU overcome this third set.
That's your Aljan, hindi pa tapos ang laban. And let's see if they can still extend this set. With that running hit by Imperial. Hulog.
And a good read, Kelly, for Imperial. Nakita kasi niyang nakabantay na ang blockers niya, and what a soft touch. The volleyball IQ of these boys is exceptional.
Medyo nag-alangan doon si Imperial, pero still, nagawan pa rin ang paraan. Ngayon, on the side of Ateneo, Sunga out and Medrano in. On the service line, the team captain serving. But it's a service out. Binalik lamang ang puntos for the Ateneo. Ngayon, sa side ng Ateneo, it's Perona on that service. Good combination play. Puntos for Aguayo dito sa BU Wolves. Napakagandang pasa, napakagandang set at napakagandang palo. With that excellent place, now serving Imperial.
That was outside, I would say, Kelly. Kinakargahan kasi ng BU ang kanilang service para hindi maka-execute dito ang Ateneo. However, outside nga, over-calculated ang service ng Wolves.
Another one sa side naman ng Ateneo. Palitan lamang ng service error. Kaya naman puntos for the BU Wolves. Now on the service deck, jersey number 9, Aguayo. Good receive. But it's an out with that hit coming from Medrano. Puntos for the BU Wolves. Still on the service deck, Aguayo. Good cover there. To the opposite. Wow. What a catch shot there Oh! It's an outside hit. No check ball. Ang tawag dito ng referee. Kaya puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. On the service line, jersey number 8, Medrano. Good serve. Espanya. Adjust. Good dig there. Ibibigay kay Alano. Good dig by Nierva. Now, free ball. Agsaw. To Alano. Espanya. Down the line hit. Pero, puntos for the Ateneo because it's out.
That was a good read from the Ateneo players. Talagang they are eyeing every minute sa bola na yon. That's why they got the points. Balik sa isang kalamangan na lang ng Wolves.
That's true, Aljan. Ngayon, binigay sa middle with that hit coming from Bailey. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. Kanina pa ginagawa yan. Not a very, very strong hit, pero a fast, quick for Bailey. Good serve. In the middle. Mataas yung palo doon. Ngayon naman. For Bio serving. Another good serve. A chance. Espanya with that catch shot. Puntos for the Ateneo. It's an outside hit coming from Espanya. Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan dito ng Bicol University Wolves. On the service deck, jersey number 6. On the back. Good dig there. In the middle. Now, a pass. In the middle. A good dig. A chance. 1-2 play. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
A good reflexes on the side of the Wolves. Nakita talaga nilang butas ang gitna ng Ateneo. A good 1-2 play.
Actually, kanina pa sila nauunusan dito when it comes to that big hole inside their court, inside their side sa Ateneo. Kaya palagi nakakapuntos dito ang Bicol University. Now, another good serve. In the middle. Wow! What a block coming from Imperial.
Sweeping the net. Talagang walang papasok na bola yan.
Napakagandang anticipation doon ng blockers. Though sobrang ganda sana nung palo na yon coming from jersey number 12. Coming from Terona, pero still the blocking skills of the Bicol University Wolves talagang napaka-tibay. Ngayon, good serve. Wow.
Imperial hammers it through. A first line, an almost first line hit from the middle blockers of the Wolves.
Well, no doubt, Aljon, with that height and with that elevation and with that kill. Talagang munti ka na mag-first line doon. Now, good serve coming from Espanya. In the middle! A miscommunication there. On the side of Ateneo. Time out for Ateneo.
20-15, 5 points deficit dito ang Wolves. They are really putting pressure dito sa Ateneo. Well, dito naman sa Ateneo, they're struggling to convert a point here because the blockers of Wolves talaga namang really, plakado talaga ang blockers ng Wolves, but they have to create a more efficient plays, fast plays, if they can, because talaga namang bantay sarado ang net.
And with that sequence, Aljon, kinakausap ngayon ang coach ng Ateneo, and let's see if they can adjust on that play. We are back after the timeout, and let's see if they can stop that bleed. Espana with that serving. And outside. Ngayon naman, team captain, jersey number 4, Agsao, serving. Good pass. Good cover there. Aguayo with that hulog. Sayang, yung bantay na yon. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Well, makikita mo dun kay si Aguayo, first try sa middle and second try sa open, and his body is facing on the cross court, but hinulog niya sa likod ng blockers. Wow, a good read for Aguayo.
At ngayon naman, binalik lamang ang puntos. Now serving jersey number 12, Perona. A service out. Palitan po ng error ngayon ang dalawang kupunan. Kaya puntos ng Bicol University.
3 points away from winning this game number 1 of the Wolves.
Kanina pa yan, si Imperial talaga. Not an effective service coming from him. Ngayon naman sa side ng Ateneo, jersey number 17. Time out ang tinawag dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Well, batiin naman natin ang mga sumusuporta sa atin. All the way from Bicol Region, Bicol University supporters. Pero naka-record.
Now we are back. With that service error, dalawa na lamang po ang kailangan ng Bicol University Wolves to end this match. On the service line. Good serve. Alano with a down the line hit. Hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Pumupuntos ngayon si Alano. Now on the service line, jersey number 8, Medrano. Poor reception there. The opposite. Good dig. Gawa na paraan. The opposite once again with that kill. Medyo malayo doon yung bantay ng Medrano. Kaya naman, match point for the Bicol University Wolves. Ito, a 3 point for the Ateneo. Easy ball in the middle, and that close the set.
25-20 Kelly upsetting the Ateneo Knights.
Panalo na po ang Bicol University Wolves with 25-20 scores.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more. Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
once again to all the volleyball fans. The match between the Golden Knights and the BU Wolves has officially ended. Congratulations to the winners of this game, the Bicol University Wolves. Now with me is the best player of the game, brought to you by Willprint. Quality printing, excellent service, hashtag your printing partner since 1985. Jersey number 13 with 3 attacks, 4 blocks, and 7 service aces, Mr. Imperial Atila. So good afternoon. We all know that you came all the way from Legazpi. So how does it feel? Does it feel na all your efforts have paid off and now you are standing at the spot of the best player?
Masaya po kasi natuloy pa rin kami dito kahit walang service po.
So kwentuhan mo naman kami, paano mo ba nagawa na ma-maintain ang mindset habang naglalaro ka in the hard court?
Siguro po tiwala lang sa kakampi at sa sarili. Yun po. Tapos yung sa training, i-apply lang po sa laro.
Talaga namang ginalingan mo, kaya naman this is your chance na magpasalamat o mag-shoutout sa mga supporters mo o ng team.
Maraming salamat po sa mga sponsor po namin, kay Tita Lina Sibuyo, sa Specs and Prints, Ate Koy, Kuya Moy, Marjon Leoncito, EDD, Aris Guamos, kay Ma'am Gladys, kay Kuya Jack. Tapos sa mga nag-support po sa BU, maraming salamat po. Babe, love you.
Thank you and congratulations. This is not yet the last appearance, folks, of the BU Wolves. In fact, this is their very first appearance this season. Kaya naman patuloy natin silang abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And on One Media TV 48 Naga, I am Rain Reyes, your courtside reporter on the side of the Bicol University Wolves. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
It's not a coincidence that the BU Wolves are one of the top-seeded team in Season 5 of Bucal Men's Volleyball. Congratulations, Bicol University.
And of course, congratulations sa ating player of the game. It's Imperial, coming from the Bicol University Wolves with 13 points, with 3 attacks, 4 blocks, and 7 service aces. Congratulations po.
Well, catch up our next game. It's the USI Falcons against Bicol University Wolves Women's Division. This has been Aljon.
And this is Kelly Francisco. Patuloy lang po tayong tumutok dito sa Bucal Season 5 Men's and Women's Volleyball dito lang sa One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.